Hello guys, for today's video we are going to solve indefinite integral, part of Math 24, Calculus for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. So what is indefinite integral? So it is a mathematical operation, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So what it does, it integrates functions without limits. Okay, wala siyang limit, wala siyang lower limit, wala siyang upper limit. And for that, we need to add an arbitrary constant c dun sa final answer natin, dun sa result. So, if we are going to do another integration, may times na magkakaroon tayo ng exact value para dun sa constant. But for now, arbitrary lang siya. Hindi pa natin kasi sigurado kung ano yung totoong value ng c. Dahil wala nga tayong limits. Okay? So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. So, yung video natin is will revolve around the first rule ng integration, which is the power rule. So, the power rule of integration is one of the rules. Isa pa lang to sa napakaraming integration rules. Okay? Tapos, saan siya ina-apply? Ina-apply lang siya doon sa exponential. Okay? Wherein ang variable natin ay x. Yung n yung ating exponent. The exponent can be any number, as is stated here. Pwede siyang positive number, 0, or negative. Pero hindi pwedeng negative 1. Isa lang yung bawal sa kanya. Hindi siya pwedeng maging negative 1. Kasi, iba na yung rule na gagamitin sa integration. Hindi na applicable yung power rule kapag ka yung n ay equal sa negative 1. So, ito yung pinaka general symbol doon sa integration na ginagamitan ng power rule. X raised to the n power dx. Ano yung dx? Laging may dx yan. The dx indicates na yung variable natin yung x. Okay? So, yan. Kung ito ay u, nakalagay dito du. Kung ito ay y, ang ilalagay dyan dy. So, this second part ay laging merong ganyan to indicate na yung function or yung variable natin ay yung variable na to, na x. Okay? So, ano yung rule para dun sa positive exponent? Ito lang yung pinaka-formula niya. This is how we answer it. So, the integral of x raised to the n power dx is simply equal to x raised to the n plus 1. So, kung papansinin mo yung dati natin na n, nilalagyan lang ng 1 or dinadagdagan ng 1. Tapos, nagkaroon siya ng denominator na kung ano yung exponent na yun na din yung denominator niya. And then, plus c. Ito yung binabanggit natin na arbitrary constant c. So, laging merong plus c sa dulo. So, as an example, for our first example, we are asked to solve for the integral of x raised to the 4th power dx. At ang gagawin lang natin, simple, sundin yung formula, dadagdagan lang natin yung 4 ng 1. At kung ano yung exponent na yun yung denominator natin. So, simplifying it, we have x raised to the 5th all over 5. Ganun siya kadali. Plus c, of course. So, second example natin, gamitin natin yung power rule para sa negative exponent. So, our given or the thing that we are asked to solve is the integral of x raised to the negative 3 dx. And all you need to do is follow the formula, just add 1. Doon sa exponent, and then this entire exponent becomes the denominator. So, negative 3 plus 1, that's negative 2. Tapos may negative 2 dun, dito din sa denominator. Now, hindi natin pwedeng iwan na ganito yung final answer because yung numerator natin, negative yung exponent, hindi pwede yan. So, we need to move this to the denominator. Tapos yung negative na yun, lalagay natin sa una. So, we have negative 1, dahil i-move natin lahat, the entire numerator sa ibaba, hindi naman yan pwede maging 0. So, 1 yan. Over 2, ayan yung 2 na yan. And then, x squared. Take note, yung dating negative, naging positive na siya kasi inilipat siya sa denominator. And this is our final answer. So, kapag ginamit naman natin yung power rule sa radicals, ito yung mga exponents na fraction. So, the integral of the square root of x is actually equal to the integral of x raised to the 1/2 And gagawin natin, use the formula. So, x raised to the 1/2 plus 1. Tapos yun din yung denominator natin, 1/2 plus 1. So, simplifying yung fraction, we have x raised to the 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. Now, hindi pwedeng yung denominator natin ay fraction. And that's the reason why yung 2 na denominator ng fraction ay inilagay natin sa numerator. So, we have 2 multiplied to x raised to the 3/2 over 3. And dahil sa improper fraction yung exponent, we can simplify this further. Pwede nating ihiwalay siya yung 2 over 2 at saka x to the 1/2. Yung x to the 1/2 is the square root. So we have 2x square root of x over 3, and this is gonna be our final answer. And pag meron tayong several terms, we can use the power rule for functions with several terms. So just add 1 to the exponent. We have yung x cubed natin, the integral of x cubed is x to the 4th over 4 minus yung integral ng x squared ay x cubed over 3. Tapos may plus c pa rin lagi, our arbitrary constant. And then finally, for our last example, we have 6x cubed minus 15x squared plus 2. We will get the integral of this entire expression. So we can evaluate it one term at a time. So we have 6x to the 4th, add 1 lang, over 4. 15x to the 3rd over 3. Plus 2x, kasi yung x na to 0 yun eh. So plus 1 over 1. And simplifying everything by, cancellation, our final answer will be 3x to the 4th over 2. Kasi na-cancel yung 2 dyan. And then 5x cubed kasi na-cancel yung 3. Diba? And then yung 2 at 1. So 2x plus c. So this is going to be our final answer. So that ends the video for the first rule for integration. Power rule. Thank you and God bless.